That's a tough one. So Robin Sharma, in the work that we do for him, Lead Without a Title workshop, says this beautifully. He says, and I love this saying, better awareness leads to better choices, and better choices lead to better results. So the first and foremost need for every leader is to truly become aware of how he is seen from the outside in and not only from the inside out. So normally what we recommend for senior leaders when they have to undergo such a journey is to go through a 360-degree leadership assessment, which gives us the true picture of how others see us. And then Marshall Goldsmith states this beautifully when he says, perception is reality. So when at times the leader says, no, Pavan, this is not what I am. How did they say I lose temper? I never lose temper. Then we bring it to his context to say, what people perceive is the reality in their eyes. And it is now the leader's responsibility to make the changes in his behavior so that his perception improves. Because normally what happens is we judge ourselves by our intention, but others judge us by our behavior. And unfortunately, we are not too good a judge of our own behaviors as perceived by others. So I think that awareness and a 360-degree is really when the penny drops. When people see leaders see what people think about them, they really want to make the changes because they do not want to be perceived like that, because internally they do not believe that they are this person. And that is where the first step for any leader in the journey of growth starts.